Hey guys, Everett Dudgeon 138 here again. I'm just going to do a quick video going through some new patches that I designed on the Prophet X. Nothing too crazy, it'll probably be a short video, just wanted to give you a preview of what I was working on. I did this one, which is based on the necromantic theme. So lots of aliasing, really lo-fi. Did this one called Aqua Piano, which, as you can hear, very atmospheric. Reminds me of Goblin's Aquaman a bit, which coincidentally is my favorite Goblin song. Come to Me, which of course is based on Brad Fiddel's score for Fright Night. So this is being played with a grand piano as well as a VS piano. I absolutely love layering a grand piano or any type of acoustic instrument with a VS or FM piano. Just think it has a really nice sound to it, and there's a electric bass on the low end, so you can play the bass riff. I think it goes something like this. Something like that. Slaughterhouse Rock. This is a pretty obscure film from the 80s. Code Red put it out on Blu-ray. I really recommend it. It's actually a really fun rock and roll 80s film, horror 80s film, and has Devo on the soundtrack doing an original score, as well as Toni Basil. She actually appears in the movie and does a song called "The Only One" with Devo. And I'm pretty sure they used a DX7 or an emulator or something, but I think the main riff goes something like this. And obviously then the drums kick in and there's like a low Moog bass and electric guitar, and it's actually a really fun song. I'll probably link it in the description. D50 Strings. I base this on the Roland D50, not trying to emulate the sound, but just the concept. The Roland D50 Strings were a sampled string attack, so just on the attack, and then it was a synthesized body. So I tried to emulate it a little bit. It doesn't sound like a D50, but I think it has a nice character to it. But the actual sample, that's all it is. And the rest of it is all synthesized. And I tried to do the same type of concept with a brass patch as well. So the sample is just this. That's it. And then there's a filter cutoff going as well, but Have to excuse my playing. And the last one was Low Pan, which of course is Big Trouble in Little China. Love it. As you can tell, it's a epic symphonic choir with a Prophet VS wave. Alan Howarth said that they often layered either a Prophet 2000 choir sample and a VS sample that was sort of voicey. Yeah, I think that sounds pretty accurate. I can't remember how the riff goes. It's like... I gotta learn the rest of it. But yeah, that's what I've been working on with the Prophet X. Just kind of creating some new patches and whatnot. I'll probably upload another video, Prophet X demo or Prophet X sounds by Everett Dudgeon, because that was one video, and even on my SoundCloud that got hundreds of listens and views and some pretty positive feedback. So I'm going to probably create another 20 or so samples or 20 or so patches and put them in a compendium. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you like, please subscribe. Check out all my other videos, all my other original songs. And I'm actually gonna be trying to attempt a live performance or a synth performance. I'm a big fan of Synthmania, Paolo at Synthmania with his channel. And I want to try and do a track and sync up the actual recording of the track I do to the video and everything like that. Probably be a little bit basic, a little bit rusty, but yeah, look out for that. And please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.